Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a map animation in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over to create a design and search for videos. Over here, let's say I'm gonna go with landscape video. So you can choose the video format that you want. So once you do click on that, you'll be taken over to the editing page of the video. You gotta go to elements over here and you gotta search for world map and press enter. You can choose from various elements that you'll be able to see. You can also add videos if you want to do so. If you want to go with graphics, you can simply select one graphic and then you can spread it across the page. You can also zoom into a specific area if you want to. So let's say I want to zoom it to this area over here. You can animate it further by, let's say, clicking on succession so we can have a nice zoom in effect. And after that, let's add a pin. Now you're gonna go to elements again and you're gonna search for pin. You can add any pin that you want, head over to the graphics, let's say, and then you can select the pin. So let's go with this one and you can add it over any area you want. Let's add it over here. And now you're gonna make this pin a bit over here so that we have a bit duration between the map animation and the pin animation in order to make it look really clean. So now let's add an animation to the pin. You're gonna click on pin and click on animate. For pin animation, I'm gonna go with pop. So it's gonna have a nice pop pin. So now you can see that when you preview the video, it will be like the map is zooming in and then we have a pin popped up. You can also add numerous lines and more animations if you want to do so. You can also duplicate this map and move your map to another location in order to pin multiple locations at the same time. And that was basically how you can create a map animation in Canva. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.